Apart from modeling, I love singing, I love art, I love cooking, I love baking, I love swimming and working out. I love too many things. Everybody wants out on the street. Kingfisher calendar for me is a new beginning. It's one of the most sexiest assignments, modeling assignments. Yeah, the whole experience by far, it's been like great. I have made some amazing friends and all of them are so sweet. The whole team, everything is so positive. From the stylist to Atul and the whole team, everybody. From the makeup artist, hairstylist, everyone is so good at what they do. And I'm actually very happy that I got to work with them. So yeah. Since I was young, I used to see the calendar and could never imagine that, I would be one of the girls. It was actually very unbelievable. But here I am, shooting for the Kingfisher calendar 2021. So Atul Kasbekar is actually, he is so good at what he does that, you're just very comfortable in front of the camera and you just let yourself go. Everybody knows that he's one of the best photographers in our country, and the very thought that I've been photographed by him, I think it's like a dream come true. Yeah, he's been working since 19 years and this is the 19th edition of the KFC. Yeah, overall it's been a really good experience. I'm actually very glad and happy about it. And yeah, stay tuned for the final result. I'm sure all of you will love it. So the girls here, apart from me, are lovely. I think that, all these girls, they're so nice and beautiful girls inside and out. No, competition or no jealousy, nothing. Everybody's just there for, each other, which is such an important thing, Companionship, it's one of the most important things. I'm an outgoing person, that's what people perceive me to be, but I am actually not. I'm very homely and I can stay at home and do nothing and just spend time with myself, which is very hard for people to believe because they think I'm always around people, but that's not true. I can lean on you. Ooh, you catch me like a leaf. When I'm not modeling, I'm eating. I'm just going to different restaurants and just eating. I watch a lot of movies all day, TV shows all day. I sleep, I eat. Then I go meet my friends and I chill with them. So that's basically my lifestyle, which I really need to give up. I want to do modeling. The way you make me feel is so good, baby. So wait for the Kingfisher calendar because it's going to be so hot, it's going to be so glamorous, and you all will love it. Baby, take my hand, hold it tight just like you do.